Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from the group 26, and I would like to presentation a review of our article, and the title is Toddler Toddler Screen Time Longitudinal is Essential with Athens and ADHD, Simport, Simport, Simport and Development Outcomes. Before that, please allow us to read the instructions first.
My name is Nurhujanul Hikmah with the final name 015.
My name is Siti Maisara. The last name is 022.
My name is Nuradatul Jannah with final name 104.
Article title Toddler Screen Time Longitudinal Association with Autism and ADHD Symptoms and Development Outcomes. Journal Child Psychiatry and Human Development. Author Mimi Hildy and Kangi and Me Miller. Publisher Springer Nature, year 2024.
Purpose: in this presentation, we aim to explain the main part of the research article, including the abstract, research objective, methodology, finding, and conclusion. Through this presentation, we want to help the audience understand how screen time can affect toddler development, especially in terms of behavior and learning. We also hope this presentation can raise awareness about the importance of controlling children's screen time.
Abstract summary the core. Case statement. This study investigates the relationship between screen time in toddlers and development outcomes, including symptoms relation to autism and ADHD. Main findings. The study found that here screen time in early children is associated with lower development outcomes and increased behavioral symptoms. The research excites the importance of monitoring children's exposure. Research objective. The aim statement. The main objective of this research is to examine whether screen time in toddlers is associated with autism symptoms, ADHD symptoms, and developmental progress later in children. Important. This research is important because digital technology is widely used by children today, and understanding is important can help parents and education manage children's screen use more effectively.
Next, methodology. Number 1, research design. This study used a longitudinal research design. This means the research observed children over a period of time to understand how early screen exposure can influence their development later in life. This type of research is important because it allows research to see change and patterns in children development over time. Number 2, sample. These participants in this study were young children, specifically toddlers. The research collected data about the children's screen time habits and analyzed their developmental outcomes. They also used behavior assessment to understand how screen time affects children's development. Next, findings. The study revealed several important findings. First, children who spend more time using screen tend to have lower developmental achievement. Second, a safe screen exposure is associated with an increased risk of behavior problems, including symptoms related to autism and ADHD. Third, children developmental can be influenced by environmental factors such as social exposure, especially when it reduces interaction with parents and the surrounding environmental.
So conclusion, the takeaway summary: screen time in toddlers may negatively its developmental outcome. Children who spend more time in front of screens may show lower developmental achievement and higher behavioral rates, such as acute mental or ADHD symptoms. Next, future research. Future research shows examines who different types of digital media affect children's development and explore effective strategies for parents to manage children's sense time. Now the next slide is group reflection. Now group reflection in here, the first is group opinion. According to our group, this article is very interesting because technology has become part of children's daily lives. The research helps us understand that screen time should be monitored carefully to support early child development. Next, relevance is this topic is relevant to early education studies because educators and parents need to understand who digital media influencer children's learning and social development. Okay, thank you for your attention. We apologize for any shortcomings in our group. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.